Ever wondered what happens behind the scenes when you buy or sell shares of a company? Who keeps track of who owns what? It's not the company itself directly, and it's certainly not your brokerage firm solely. There's a crucial, often unsung hero in the world of stock ownership, the transfer agent. Think of it like this: when you buy a house, there's a title company that ensures the ownership is properly transferred and recorded. In the stock market, a transfer agent plays a very similar role. They are the official record keepers for publicly traded companies, managing the intricate details of stock ownership. This includes everything from issuing and canceling stock certificates, whether physical or, more commonly now, in electronic book entry form, to tracking who owns how many shares. Why is this important? Well, imagine a company with millions of shares and tens of thousands of shareholders. Without a dedicated entity to manage these records, it would be an absolute nightmare. The transfer agent ensures accuracy, compliance with regulations, and smooth operations for both the company and its investors. They also handle things like distributing dividend payments, managing stock splits, and even assisting with shareholder communications, such as sending out annual reports and proxy materials for voting. They're essentially the direct link between a company and its registered shareholders. So, when it comes to a company like Expensify, a popular platform for expense management, who takes on this vital responsibility? If you're an Expensify shareholder, or perhaps considering becoming one, you might have questions about your stock, dividends, or even replacing a lost certificate. Knowing who the transfer agent is becomes incredibly useful in these situations. For Expensify, the transfer agent is Computershare. Computershare is one of the largest and most well-known transfer agents globally, serving countless public companies. This means that if you're a registered shareholder of Expensify, Computershare is the entity that maintains your ownership records. They are the ones you would contact for inquiries regarding your shareholdings, dividend payments, or any other administrative matters related to your Expensify stock. They provide various ways to reach them, including an investor website, telephone numbers for both U.S., Canada, Puerto Rico, and non-U.S. inquiries, and addresses for written correspondence. Their role is pretty comprehensive. When Expensify issues new shares, like during a stock split, Computershare handles the issuance. When shares are traded, they record the change in ownership. They ensure that all regulatory requirements are met in these processes, and they act as a secure intermediary for shareholder transactions. They also play a critical role in preventing unauthorized issuance of securities, essentially acting as the company's registrar to monitor the integrity of the share register. In essence, while Expensify focuses on its core business of expense management, Computershare handles the specialized and legally mandated task of managing their shareholder registry. This partnership ensures that Expensify can concentrate on its operations, while investors have a reliable, dedicated point of contact for their stock-related needs. It's a crucial division of labor that underpins the smooth functioning of public markets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.